If you've ever found yourself wondering how to quickly view all your epics in Jira, whether you're juggling multiple projects or just trying to get a big picture view of your team's work, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use Jira's advanced issue search to find every epic, across your entire instance or just within a specific project. This is a huge time saver, especially if you want a clear overview for planning, reporting, or making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive in. Alright, so the key to unlocking all your epics in Jira is the advanced issue search feature. You might have seen the basic search before. Maybe you've filtered by assignee or looked for tickets with a certain status. But advanced issue search is like putting on X-ray glasses. It lets you see under the hood and pull up exactly what you need. To get started, you'll want to access advanced issue search. In most Jira setups, you'll find this in the top navigation bar under issues and filters. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It's sometimes tucked away under the View All Issues and Filters link. Take a moment to open that up. Once you're in, this method will show you all epics, not just from one project, but from your entire Jira instance, even if your organization has dozens or hundreds of projects. Think of it as opening every cupboard in the house at once, rather than checking them one by one. Next, in the search screen, you'll see a field called JQL Query. JQL stands for Jira Query Language, and it might sound intimidating at first, but it's actually pretty intuitive once you get the hang of it. Here, type in issue type equals epic. What you're doing is telling Jira, hey, show me every issue where the type is epic. After you've entered the query, either press enter or click the little search icon beside the field. It's totally normal if the search takes a moment, especially if your Jira instance is packed with data. So don't worry if you see a spinning wheel. Give it a second. Bam! You'll get a list of all epics, displayed in a neat table. From here, you can see details like summary, status, which project each epic belongs to, and more. This is perfect if you want to review epics for sprint planning, auditing, or just to stay organized. But maybe you only care about the epics in your own project. That's easy to do. Let's make the search a bit more specific. In your JQL query, add a project filter. For example, you'd type project equals your project name and issue type odds epic. Replace your project name with your actual project title. So, marketing website or mobile app revamp, whatever fits. This extra condition narrows the search so you only see epics for that particular project, which is super helpful if you're managing a focused team or just want to avoid wading through irrelevant work. One final tip. Once you've got this view set up perfectly, you can save your search as a filter for quick future access. That way, you're just a couple clicks away from this overview anytime you need it. And you can even share filtered views with coworkers. No more time lost hunting across Jira. And that's it. By using advanced issue search and a simple JQL query, you get a complete, customizable look at every epic in Jira. Whether you're looking across your organization or just within your own project, this approach keeps you organized, efficient, and always in control. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below. I always try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical Jira tips, and I'll see you in the next video.